Hey everyone, it's Sarah. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on the giveaway I'm going to be doing. The votes are in and artwork was the overwhelming winner on what you guys wanted. So I will be giving away the piece you see here. It is a lovely 14 by 14 Southwest inspired metallic piece. The rules are pretty simple for the contest. I just need you to comment below on this video and be subscribed to this channel. I'll leave the contest open for the next 2 weeks and then announce the winner in a future video. If you don't win, but really want a piece of my artwork, you can always head to my Etsy store. The link is in the description of every video, or reach out to me for a custom piece. Thank you all for your support, and good luck!